nothing on the dashboard. Well, something's wrong. Nothing. Up, it's working. Down only until 1900 actually. Let's see what it says on the computer.
It seems that these faults are older, they are not active now. And also this one is not active, but I'm sure this one is responsible for this issue where the engine stay accelerated.
And in this plug right here, it's the engine plug, you will find a blue wire with the number 3152. This is the one. And in this case I have only two options. Either I search to find exactly the position where it's interrupted, this wire 3152. Either I just take a new wire and mount it from the red plug, which is the engine plug, directly to the engine computer. And I think this will be the option because this truck needs to work.